Did you know that your liver works tirelessly every single day to cleanse your blood and remove toxins from your body? But when the liver becomes fatty or inflamed, many health issues may arise, such as chronic fatigue, weight gain, and even skin problems. Today, I want to talk about a small yet powerful seed that can significantly help cleanse the liver and improve its function. This seed is none other than chia seeds. Why are chia seeds beneficial for the liver? Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. These compounds provide 3 essential benefits for liver health. Key Cap 1. They reduce liver inflammation and protect liver cells. Key Cap 2. They help regulate fat metabolism and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Key Cap 3. They protect against oxidative stress and prevent cellular damage. Scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of chia seeds may even lower liver enzymes and improve fatty liver conditions. Best way to consume chia seeds. So, how should we consume them? It's simple. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a glass of water or plant-based milk. After about 20 minutes, they form a gel-like texture and are ready to eat. You can also add them to yogurt, smoothies, or salads. The best times to consume chia seeds are either in the morning on an empty stomach or before bedtime. Powerful combinations. Interestingly, combining chia seeds with certain foods can enhance their cleansing effect. For example, alternating between chia seeds and basil seeds, or adding a few drops of lemon juice to a chia drink, can boost liver detoxification. These combinations not only benefit the liver but also improve digestion and increase overall energy. Important precautions. Despite all these benefits, moderation is key. Overconsumption of chia seeds may lead to bloating or digestive discomfort. The recommended amount is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Additionally, individuals who take specific medications, such as blood thinners, should consult their doctor before making chia seeds a regular part of their diet. Dear friends, a healthy liver means a more energetic body and a healthier life. Chia seeds can play a major role in cleansing the liver and improving metabolism. I encourage you to add these valuable seeds to your diet starting today and see the difference for yourself. And one more important point. If you found this topic interesting, make sure to watch the previous 2 videos on the channel. In those, I've explained methods that not only rejuvenate the body but are also incredibly effective for liver cleansing. I'm sure you'll discover tips that are rarely shared elsewhere and can multiply your results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.